When you buy a property subject to, from time to time at escrow analysis time, you'll get a refund check. It happens. Either there's an overpayment for taxes or for insurance, and occasionally you'll get an overage check. What do you do with that check? Well, if you've gotten a limited and specific power of attorney when you bought the property subject to, then you're going to be able to take that check, endorse it as power of attorney for Joe Seller, and go deposit it into your bank account. Now, a long time ago, they let you cash those checks. It's usually not the case anymore, so I wouldn't even try it. I would endorse it, me as investor, attorney in fact for Joe Seller, and then just deposit it in my regular bank deposits, and chances are that thing's going to sail right through. You're not going to have any problems. But that's what you want to do with overage, escrow overage refund checks.